So welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Diva's Secret Organic Space. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be shooting this video, but actually I made this video since November, when we started the winter newly, because this product that I want to share with you all that I'm going to be making is actually for the winter. Is an exfoliating herbal soap. So guys, pardon me, I made this video during November time, but I'm actually shooting the video, how will I put it, I'm actually uploading this video. So guys, I'm going to teach you all how to make exfoliating herbal soap. So you can exfoliate your skin with different type of things and different type of method. You can use your oil to exfoliate your skin. If you are afraid of exfoliating with lactic acid or peeling your skin, glycolic acid, if you're afraid of doing it directly on your skin, you can use it inside your product. You can exfoliate your skin with your body cream. You can exfoliate your skin with your soap. You can exfoliate your skin with your oil. So I'll be teaching you all how to make this herbal African exfoliating herbal soap. And the best way to exfoliate your skin, guys, is winter. Do not try to exfoliate during the summertime if you have a very sensitive skin. So the best way to exfoliate is winter time, because there will be no sun to burn your skin and there will be no sun to irritate your skin. So if you want to exfoliate your skin, do it during the winter time, because if you try it during the summertime, guys, I bet you even your sunscreen cannot even save you enough. You're still going to have this itching and irritating skin. So if you want to exfoliate your skin, I advise you to do it during the winter time, like the way I'm doing this now. And this is my own personal soap that I will be making. I'm not selling this, I'm not putting this in my website or where I do sell my things. This is for me. I'm going to exfoliate my skin during this winter time. And summertime, my skin is going to be looking this beautiful and glowing and shiny. So guys, stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe if you love my channel, or if you love me, even if you don't love my channel but you love me, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Give this video a huge like. Share this video for other people to also benefit from it, and watch this video from the starting to the ending, because some of you will still come back to ask me questions. Yes, I appreciate you asking me questions, because I don't want you to do anything wrong with your skin, but still make sure to watch this video from starting to the ending. And the ending of this video, I have so many information that I will be sharing also. So guys, let's go and do this out and promise to exfoliate during the winter time. Okay, beauties, yeah, this is my soap, the half soap that I will be using, and let me introduce you to my other ingredients. And also I'll be using neem powder. This is organic, derived from India, and this is going to help to fight skin disease. If you're facing any skin disease like wrinkles, like rashes, like melasma, this is mainly to fight skin disease. And also I have my sandalwood powder. Also, this is used to fight any type of skin disease also, and it's going to lighten up your skin at the same time. This came from India and it's also organic. And I will be using my orange peel powder. Orange peel powder is going to help to exfoliate your skin. It's going to help to lighten up your skin. It's going to help to take out those dead skin cells from your skin. And of course I have my lemons, and this is going to help to exfoliate your skin. So guys, take notes. So guys, I'm sorry I have to use my voice here because someone just came into my house. So this is alum powder. Yeah guys, this is alum powder, and alum powder is very great for our skin. It's very good for our skin. As you can see, this is alum powder for canker sore. This is alum powder for eye abscess. This is alum powder for crack ease. Alum powder for shaving. alum powder for water purification, alum as a deodorant, alum powder for hair removal, alum powder for wrinkles, alum powder for pimples, alum powder for hair treatment, and alum powder for pickling. So you can just see this now. Hope you all can see this. So alum powder is very good when it comes to our skin. It's going to help to take out wrinkles from your skin. It's going to help to take out pimples from your skin. So this soap that I'm making is a winter soap, so that is why you can see that I'm adding so much of so much things that are going to help to lighten, whiten, and exfoliate your skin. So guys, and of course I'll be adding my honey for moisturizing and for skin softening. So this is also organic. And here is my glycerin for moisturizing, and it's also organic. And in here I have my citric acid for exfoliation. Sorry guys, for exfoliator. Yeah guys, this citric acid is going to exfoliate our skin. As you're taking your bath, it's going to be helping to exfoliate our skin also. And of course we have to add our preservative because we are using liquid. And here is my soda, my baking soda. This is going to help to clean your skin. Yeah guys, baking soda helps to take out those excess dirty in our skin. And here is my licorice powder. It's going to help to lighten up your skin, and it's still going to help to fight skin disease. And I have my lactic acid here, which is going to help to lighten up your skin. It's going to help to exfoliate your skin. And in here I have my orange and lemon oil made together. This is handmade. And here I have my grapeseed oil. And in here I have my pineapple oil. Yeah guys, this is handmade. This is my pineapple oil. So guys, let's continue with our mixture now. I'm not going to introduce anything again. You're just going to follow my step. Just keep watching me the way I'm doing it. I've introduced all my ingredients and you all know about it. You know their functions. So now I'm just going to keep quiet and I will start working, and you're just going to follow my step. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to grate my soap. Yeah guys, I'm going to grate my soap. So keep watching guys. I love you all. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So okay guys, I'm done grating my soap. What I'm going to do now is to, okay, this is my water, and this is a distilled water. Always use distilled water guys. Oh my god. So this is my alum powder. Oh, I'm making a mess. I'm going to leave my measurements below my description box. And this is my citric acid. So I'm going to dissolve both of them and pour it into my soap. I'm going to pour in my alum water inside here because I'm going to blend mine. I don't have mortar. If you have mortar, you can pound yours. I'm going to blend mine. So guys, stay tuned and I'll be back. I'm just going to blend these two to a little. I just want it to be smooth. Yeah guys, I want it to be smooth. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere guys. Okay guys, this is it. You can see how smooth this soap looks. Yeah, I want my soap to be smooth. And I'm still going to make another method of African black soap. We have so different method. Yeah guys, we have so different method. In the other method, I'm going to teach you all how to use your fruits. Yeah guys, you can use your fruits to make your soap also, but let's make do with this for now. And now I'm going to add my orange, oh fuck, my orange powder. And my sandalwood powder. And my neem powder. And my baking soda. So my licorice powder. I'm using 20 grams of each powder. This is 20 grams, guys. I think all my powders are finished, so what I'm going to do is just to mix it up. Guys, this soap is amazing. So I've been waiting. I have this soap since almost 3 months now. I've been waiting because I want to use my soap during the winter time, because using African black soap during the summer time, my dear, unless you want to use sunscreen, and I'm not good when it comes to using of sunscreen because I don't like to apply too much of product on my body. So that is why I've been waiting to use this soap during the winter time.
Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday. Oh, Thursday. Oh, Friday.
Okay, divas, we are done mixing all our soap. I hope you guys followed me all through mixing the soap, because I stopped talking and I was just adding my ingredients one by one, and I also write down the names. So guys, make sure to use a very clean jar, wash them, sterilize them, and allow them to dry off before you can pour in your soap, because we are trying to avoid bacteria from our soap. So guys, this soap is amazing. It's going to exfoliate your skin, at the same time it's going to moisturize your skin, because I added so many types of oil inside this soap, and this is my personal soap. This is not for sale. This is my personal soap. You can see that it's quite much. So this is how I make my soap. I keep it inside the fridge, then I just scoop inside little by little whenever I want to take my bath. And this is winter time. This is what I'm using during the winter. So by the time I use this during the winter, during the summertime, you are going to see my skin. If I come out with my bum shot, you know, people are going to be loving my skin, like, wow, your skin is shiny, your skin is glowing, your skin is light. You know, this is my own personal soap, so I can make any type of soap I want to make for myself. It's just my formulation. I can do any type of formulation for myself. So guys, thanks for watching. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, share this video, and like this video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. So guys, I love you all, and bye bye.